What's up, y'all? This is Henry with Big Ben Wash Pros. Today I'm going to be running a 5-gallon bucket test comparing our old proportioner, high flow proportioner, one valve on just the water, compared to our new 1-inch proportioner that we got from Texas Pressure Washing. I love this thing. It was great. Been running it for over a year. Not a single issue with it. It's very, very well made. But with our P40, I just feel like we're stifling a little bit on the flow, and I wanted to see if I could improve that. So let's get this cranked up real quick. All right, y'all, I gave it a minute or two to get primed, and we're gonna start the bucket test right now. So this thing, all 3/4 inch tubing. I'm running 5/8 inch soft wash hose, 250 feet. That's gonna be the same for both tests. I am gonna upgrade to 1-inch tubing, just to try to get a little bit more flow. But we're timing it right now. We're at 20 seconds. We're about halfway full. Maybe a little bit less than half. Alrighty, we're almost there. We are about 50 seconds in right now. It looks like we're exactly at a minute and... All right, and now we are back. I just installed our new proportioner with 1-inch valves, 1-inch feed line all across the system, and we're gonna do a quick bucket test right now. Last bucket was a minute and 10 seconds. But this is the Texas Pressure Washing Store proportioner, and I've also rigged up a remote soap valve to it. Both of these tests are just one line fed, just the water line on, from a 1/2 inch high flow valve to a 1-inch metering valve. All right, and our bucket is full in exactly 35 seconds, which before it was a minute and 10. So this has doubled our water flow from about 4.5 to about 9 gallons a minute. So I did not think it would be that big a difference, but I am impressed. Again, this is the Texas Pressure Washing proportioner, 1-inch valves, 1-inch tubing all the way across. And then I have the old shirts box rigged up to be a remote down. Thank y'all.